Mastering Project Management, a guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's crucial for both professionals and students alike: project management. Whether you're working on a group assignment, organizing an event, or planning a complex project at work, understanding the fundamentals of project management can make a world of difference. So, let's unravel the mystery of project management together and make your projects more successful. Project management is the art and science of organizing the components of a project. Whether it's planning a wedding, launching a new app, or building a house. It involves planning, executing, and overseeing a project to ensure it's completed on time, within budget, and to the required quality standards. The goal is to achieve the project's objectives by effectively managing resources, timelines, and people. Project management can be broken down into 5 key phases. 1. Initiating. This phase is all about defining the project at a broad level. It's where you identify what needs to be accomplished. 2. Planning. Arguably the most crucial phase, planning involves setting goals, defining roles and responsibilities, and outlining the steps needed to achieve the project's objectives. 3. Executing. This is where the plans are put into action. It's the phase of actual work, where teams are managed and resources are allocated. 4. Monitoring and controlling. Throughout the project, it's vital to track progress, make adjustments as necessary, and ensure everything is on track for completion. 5. Closing. In the final phase, the project is completed, deliverables are handed over, and the success of the project is evaluated. Understanding the key elements of project management is essential. Goals and objectives. Clear, achievable objectives are the foundation of any successful project. Timeline and milestones. A detailed schedule helps manage time effectively, ensuring deadlines are met. Budget. Managing finances is critical to keep the project within its financial limits. Quality standards. Defining quality standards ensures the project meets the necessary requirements and expectations. Risk management. Identifying potential risks and having plans in place to mitigate them is essential for project success. Several tools and techniques can aid in effective project management. Gantt charts. Visual timelines that show the start and end dates of the project phases. Kanban boards. Tools to visualize work, limit work in progress, and maximize efficiency. Project management software. Various applications can help plan, execute, and track project progress. Congratulations! You've just taken the first step towards mastering project management. Remember, like any skill, it gets easier with practice. We hope this video has shed some light on the basics of project management and how you can apply these principles to your projects. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides. Here's to your success in all your future projects.